Hi guys, my name is Yujude. Welcome to my Plug and Play review. Plug and Play is an affiliate marketing app where you have preloaded products, and these products are actually from a website called ClickBank. So with ClickBank, you have products from different niches, and the good thing about ClickBank is that you don't have to wait for your link to be approved when you make application to promote a product. You automatically get your link generated. So these vendors have done it in such a way that you have traffic within the app. So the way the traffic works is with Twitter, and everything that you need to know about that is being explained in the training that I will show to you in a minute. If you're new into affiliate marketing, or you're already in affiliate marketing but you want to spread out, this product might just be what you need. Plug and Play will be going live on the 1st of October at 10 a.m. New York time. So the moment it goes live, all you just have to do is click on the link below this video that says get Plug and Play here and bonuses, and that will bring you right here to my bonus page. And then on my bonus page, you can just look through and then click any of these yellow buttons to go to the sales page and make your purchase. The vendors are saying, watch us pillage this website for $98 a day using a fail-proof plug and play hack. We are guaranteed $98 a day passively. Want to duplicate our results? They said it's easy. I'll take you through to this members area in a bit, but I wanted to show you all the bonuses that I've put together for you, as this is a website, sorry, not a website, an app that all these things are in. You can build your squeeze pages on the app. You can build your welcome pages, thank you pages from the app. So, and then you can also integrate your autoresponder, which is where you be able to build your email list. You can put all that, you can import that onto the app. So I've got for you 7 amazing bonuses, and a good amount of it talks about how you can actually learn about affiliate marketing the right way. So you've got access to Continuum Done for You, which is a training and a software that would boost your affiliate marketing knowledge in terms of the right products, how you can build your bonus page, how you can make your bonus page attractive, and also how you can get make your opt-in pages attractive so that people can, you know, like in terms of you finding the right keywords to use, the right wordings to use, so things like that. Continuum Done for You teaches you a lot about that. Then learn how to blog, and the reason why I'm giving you this is because I feel that blogging is a very essential part of ClickBank, in terms of you having your own blog where you've got all these products, especially if you're going to be doing if you're going to be promoting a vast number of products. Having a website with a blog where you can post all this products, and instead of linking people just to an offer, you can send them to your blog, and that way you have opportunity to make more sales, because then you've got more products in front of the clients. And then you've got Recastly monetizing strategy, and this shows you how you can monetize your blog. Okay, then you've got Eclipse, which is another software as well as training on affiliate marketing. And then I've got for you 3 ways to make to get traffic. So you've got Instant Traffic Jacker, learn how to drive traffic to your product, and Traffic Siphon. So you've got those 3 amazing products on traffic. Eclipse is also another good one that shows you how you can get traffic as well. So you've got all these amazing bonuses only if you pick Plug and Play through my link. This is the members area for Plug and Play. Once you come in, you see the dashboard, and what the first thing you should do is watch this training. It's just about 2 minutes and 3 seconds. First thing you want to do is watch that. Then the next thing you want to look at is campaign. You can create a new campaign, and then you can, once you've created a campaign, all your campaigns will be stored there. You just click on create a new campaign, say the campaign name, let's say weight loss, for example, and then submit. And once you submit it, to tell you that it has been, you successfully create a campaign. And then when you go into my campaign, it'll be right there for you, which is right here. So the other thing that you want to do is, I've just clicked on the part that says create money. Let me go back to that so that you can see what I've just done. So once you're on the campaign, I've clicked on this angle here that says create money pages. You can get to that page also by clicking on landing pages. Okay, so you can get on there by clicking on landing page, where you say create landing pages. So you, over here you've got my leads, my statistic, and AR setup. But let's go through there where it says, so once you're on there, these are your pages, and depending on what you've got, if you've got any upgrades, it has more templates for people that got upgrades. Okay, and I'll show you the upgrade in a minute. But if you don't have that, you've only got a few. If you've got just the front end, you've only got a few that you can actually, a few templates. But the good thing about this template is you can edit it to suit your niche. You can edit it to suit whatever it is that you are promoting. So like the images can be changed, or the text can be changed. You can change every single text. Everything that you are saying on here can be changed. It can be edited to suit your purpose. Okay, so you've got that. And then another part that I wanted to show you is the AR setup. The AR setup has to do with your autoresponder. So if you've got like I've got get response, so I'll go into that. You put your API key and also the list where you want that to go, and then you create that, and that's done. So if you've got so this would help you collate your email list that you're getting using the templates that you're sending out, so your opt-in template. Over here you have the free traffic, which like I said before has to do with Twitter. There's also a little training. All this is training, so they show you how you can generate traffic on Twitter. And then you've got Quora right there, and it's one other one, Facebook groups. Okay, so it's everything is there for you to. And then there's also the fast traffic, and the fast traffic has to do with solo ads. So what they've done is giving you a list of solo ads that they've used, and how you can use them is actually in the fast traffic, but it has to do with solo ads. Then you've got social traffic, and over here you have to set it up. So if you've got Twitter, so if you've got like Twitter, then there's Instapaper and Forked. Then there's WordPress for you to set up your WordPress, but it has, all this can be integrated. So if you've got all those accounts, all you have to do is integrate that. And I think with more that you've, with depending on the upgrade that you've got, you can be able to integrate other your social media your social media account, so that you can easily just social share your bonus page directly from the app. All right, over here you have the software training, and I think this is the one of the vital part of this whole software. So you've got the plug and play, it gives you an overview. Then you've got create campaign, landing page, AR, and then traffic. So you've got all that training right there for you. And then over here you've got the support. If you need any support, you have support, so you just click and send the support. So this is the front end of the product. Now let us talk about the price of everything that I've just shown to you. Is actually $12.45, but earlier on I could see that you were able to also get some money off. So let's say you want to come out, says you qualify for a one-time special discount. All you have to do is click on there and it will show you the discount. I think it's just a few dollars, but at least it's better than paying $12.45, which I mean is actually a very good price for this product, because most of the time the front end of product like this is about $17, Okay, so you've got $12.45. Then you've got unlimited untrusted, and this has to do with I think it's the unlimited account. So if you want the unlimited, like a pro version of this, is actually $37, and you can get that at the downsell price of $27. Then you've got the done for you if you want them to set it up and all that is $197. And I think, oh, typo error, so it's $97. That is no, actually $77. So the downsell of that is $77, and for that price I think that's really good. Just go for the, if you want the done for you, go for the downsell. All right, then you've got the done for you ticket at $197, and then the downsell of that is, I think that's the same. Oh, sorry, it says high ticket. So if you want to do high tickets done for you, that's $97 for the downsell. All right, you've got 1K a day affiliate system at $67. $47 is the downsell of that. Unlimited traffic using Pixel. So it's got Pixel, you've got the Pixel, you can, I think you can put your Pixel on their site, something like that, is $197. The downsell of that is $97. Then the license rights for this product is $167, and $67 is the downsell of that. I'll just highlight, I'll just read out the highlighted key benefit that I put for you. So it says completely unknown hack, do it once and never touch it again, 100% actual free traffic hack included, no monthly fees or expenses. That is if you're doing the free traffic, but if you are paying solo ads, obviously you have to pay something. And then you've got 100% passive and easy. Going through the app earlier on, I really saw that it was pretty easy to use, and with all the training on free traffic, I think that is very good, because some people would charge you a separate fee just for this training, and then charge you separate fee for the app. So having both in one, I think, is amazing. Once you pick up Plug and Play, it'll go into a website called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is free to register to, and it takes less than 5 minutes for you to register. So once you've registered, all you have to do is log in and go over to your affiliate ID, click on purchase history, and then you'll be able to find my products there for you, my Plug and Play, as well as my bonuses. All right guys, that is it on my review. I hope you like it. If you do, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell for more upcoming reviews from me. Thanks for watching. Do have a nice day. Bye.